Hello guys, welcome to Time Trade. In today's video, I'll show you a powerful trading approach that's already being used by many successful traders. It's a strategy that combines your own trading logic with the precision of a neural network that delivers clear and accurate market entry signals. In 2025, neural networks achieved perfection in determining market trends and became indispensable assistants for beginners. Right now, you can try these signals completely free, no registration needed. Just open the bot and hit the Test Signals button in the main menu. You're free to test the tool on any trading account, and if it suits you, the bot can be yours permanently at no cost, thanks to our 30-day promo offer. I will add that soon there will be a release of a new cool training course from professional traders. To get it for free, you need to join my team now by subscribing to the Time Trade Telegram channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on new strategies and updates. Let's dive in. I'm going to select a currency pair from the list in the trading bot interface for my first trade. Let's take the Australian dollar and Japanese yen. Now, I go to Broker Pocket option, and in advance in the search bar, I will set this currency pair. The expiration time in the first trade will be 5 minutes. I will invest $1,800 according to the main rule of money management. To receive a signal, I return to the trading bot interface and press the expiration time button. After analysis, I see that the neural network predicts an upward price movement. Well, I go to the Pocket option broker, carefully look at the chart, and assess the situation on the market. Okay, I press the green button and watch the progress of this trade. Friends, to trade responsibly and use the help of a neural network, you can take advantage of the terms of the promotion. Now, using the link in the description, you can go to the bot interface and use its instructions to pick up the tool for free. To start, you can simply test the neural network without registration using trial signals. To do this, go to the bot via the link and click on the Test Signals button in the menu. I draw your attention to the fact that the neural network will remain with you forever with full functionality. An unlimited number of signals are given every day, and in the future you will not need to pay any fees for its use. The passability of the trading bot is up to 85%. But for responsible trading, always use your trading logic because the final decision always remains with the person. In this video, I show how the neural network only helps make decisions. I do not conduct financial consultations and do not give recommendations. Here you see only practice based on my experience of using a neural network for trading. If you want to really understand trading on the currency pairs market, I invite you to free training from the Time Trade team. After my training course, you will have the ability to see the market structure, recognize key support and resistance levels, and make logical, informed decisions based on analysis, not intuition. I will show you how to learn to read a chart from scratch, understand why the price moves this way and not another, and how to build your own trading system based on real patterns, not other people's guesses. This training is suitable for those who want to not just copy signals, but develop as a trader, understand the market, and act confidently. If you have long wanted to start but did not know where to start, or tried but did not succeed, now is a great time. Follow the link in the description and write me a private message. I will answer and help you start your path in trading consciously and with an understanding of the essence of the market. Smart trading today is no longer just about memorizing patterns or reacting to sudden price movements. It's about combining the trader's own logic with the power of modern artificial intelligence. This synergy opens up new possibilities for those who want to make deliberate, informed decisions in the currency pairs market. Friends, don't forget to apply your trading logic in every trade. Trade responsibly, and the best assistant for you is artificial intelligence. The neural network continuously analyzes live data from 12 different indicators, working with impressive speed and precision. Unlike human decisions, which can be influenced by emotions, fatigue, or stress, the system operates purely on mathematical logic. It identifies patterns, correlations, and trend formations that are often invisible to the human eye, even to those with experience. This allows traders to receive timely and clear signals that reflect the real state of the market rather than guesses or emotional impulses. Incorporating such a neural network into daily trading transforms the process. It doesn't take over the decision making, but rather strengthens the trader's ability to act rationally. When the AI highlights potential entry points, it gives the trader more confidence and clarity, especially in fast-moving or volatile market conditions where emotions often cloud judgment. This significantly reduces the chance of impulsive trades and helps maintain a structured, analytical approach. However, no matter how advanced the technology, the human remains at the center of every trading decision. The neural network is a smart assistant, not a substitute for the trader's reasoning. Ultimately, the trader chooses when to act, how much to risk, and what strategy to follow. Now on the TradingView terminal, I will conduct a technical analysis and show what logic is present in this trade. Let's find the currency pair Australian dollar to Japanese yen in the search bar. If you look closely at the chart, you can see the price minimums. And I am now noting that the price is turning up from the local minimums. In other words, buyers are getting involved. There is a bullish advantage on the volume histogram now. So, I think the price will continue to go up in accordance with the forecast from the neural network. It's crucial to stick to responsible money management. One essential principle that never loses relevance is limiting risk on a single trade to no more than 3% of the total deposit. This simple but powerful rule safeguards your capital, reduces exposure to losses, and helps maintain emotional stability over the long run. The trading bot handles the technical side of the work. It monitors the market around the clock, performs complex calculations in seconds, and identifies high-probability opportunities based on proven patterns. This gives the trader more time and freedom to concentrate on strategic analysis, long-term planning, and risk control. It creates a working environment where efficiency and clarity dominate, rather than guesswork and pressure. Let me remind you that you can test this neural network without registration and then take the bot forever for free. The promotion lasts for 30 days, so don't miss the opportunity. After connecting once, you'll be able to use it without any hidden fees, time limits, or subscriptions. Well, the first trade is over. The signal from artificial intelligence and my trading logic brought me profit. Excellent. I will continue my trading session. Let's set the expiration time to 1 minute. I will increase the investment amount to $1,900 and change the currency pair. Let's choose, for example, the Swiss franc and Japanese yen. Now we return to the trading bot interface and click the currency pair button in expiration time. Artificial intelligence prepares a forecast, and after analysis, I record a signal for an increase in price. According to the neural network, the trend will go up. Well, let's look at the chart and make our trading decision. I click the green button to buy. Guys, I also want to add that discipline and a plan are very important in trading. A trading plan is the foundation of consistent and smart trading. It helps you avoid impulsive decisions, stick to clear rules, and stay focused even when the market becomes unpredictable. Without a plan, beginners often act emotionally, chasing quick profits and falling into traps. That's why it's so important to follow a structured approach from the very beginning. To help with this, I prepared free training for beginner traders. You'll find the link in the description. There, I explain how to create your own trading plan, manage risks, and use tools that make trading easier. This training is absolutely free, and all I ask in return is a like on this video and a subscription to the channel. Regarding training, write me a private message. The link is in the description. Also, let me remind you that by the link in the description, you can go to the trading bot right now and, using its instructions, connect the tool for free. It will remain with you forever with full functionality. Well, in the meantime, let's record that the second trade ended successfully. Thanks to the right trading tool and trading logic, a novice trader can get good results. The main thing is to trade responsibly and wisely. This is the Time Trade channel. Goodbye.